So guys, for the first method, you're going to head it with search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you run this, you're going to click on other troubleshooters. Now you want to find Windows Update. Click on run. And now this will come up, the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, if it detects anything, it will try to fix it for you. See if that works. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you're going to head it with search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you run this, you're going to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. Then you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And then once that's been done, you now want to type in DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Click on enter again. You now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, you just want to restore your computer. And then this should now fix your problem.